Blast that shit back if you blasting.
Good morning, guys. It's your boy Tops once again. Welcome back to the channel, baby. RT Tops is where you need to be, baby, right now. Make sure you subscribe. Alright, guys, today we're Sunday the 15th. It's about 8:37 a.m. We're gonna go to a car meet out here in Naples. Basically, we're gonna check out what's going on. I know there's gonna be a white SRT Durango, and I want you guys to check it out. I'm actually gonna take a few pictures of it and all that stuff. And yeah, let's get to it, baby. I'm gonna get you guys a cold start here. Yeah, guys, basically I'll see you again in the car. We're gonna go to a car wash right now, give this guy a little bit of a nice little wash, and I'll talk to you guys. Welcome back to RT Tops, baby. I'm gonna get a little quick wash of the truck, and basically let's get to this car meet, man. Let's see what Naples is all about. Let's see what Naples brings us. See, hopefully we can see some old schools. I know for sure we're gonna probably see some old schools and maybe some new school with some muscle power in there. Hopefully some Hellcats show up. All right, guys, see you in a bit. Peace. Alright, guys, so I'm currently here at car meet. So far we got a few muscle cars, we got a little bit of everything here. So I'm just waiting for it to get filled up a little bit. We got a few cars, you know, we got from Ford F1 Focuses, and you know, we got some Audis, some old school runners, you know, Lamborghinis, Camaros. This massive Corvette, this thing was super loud when it pulled up. I'm pretty sure it's carbon fibered out. BMWs, Hondas, Lexus, the list goes on. We got a lot of going on here. So, just hoping for it to get filled up a little bit more. And basically, so I can give you guys a little bit more. We'll do a little walk around and all that stuff. So, let's get it. Alright, guys, I got the SRT. My buddy George over there, he's basically the owner of this truck. The truck is beautiful, guys. You know, let's check it out, man. With the Brembo brakes. Interior is serious. Smoked out the rear lights. Go follow him on IG right there. I also have a link to his Instagram on the description, so you guys can go follow him. He takes real nice pictures. Real nice truck, real nice truck. Of course, we got the bad boy over here. That's the main attraction right there. Alright, guys, check this out, bro. Oh my god, this thing is gorgeous. My wife would love this car. Yeah, right? This thing is dope. Look at the roof rack on this thing. This thing is really nice built. about that. This is dope.
I did not get out of it.
We got the drone, baby. Alright guys, I'm gonna show you a Jeep that's letting another Jeep borrow his tire to do like a 3-wheel motion type deal. Check this out. That's just outrageous right there. That's savage. We get it, man. We got a nice suspension over here. That is dope. Hey man, let me borrow your tire. Let me borrow your tire, man. Oh, excuse me, guys. Whatever logo that is, let me know in the description below. But I'm thinking this is a Scat Pack here. Alright guys, so I found a Scat Pack, yellow one. Pretty nice. Pretty nice car. Got them copper wheels. Alright guys, we're getting to the section where you pay too much money for these cars. Oh wow, I've never seen this before. Yellow on yellow. Pretty sure he got it redone.
I wish they would have done wet.
This Corvette is real nice. Oh, that sounds really cammed out. Alright guys, this is my dream car. I would love this color here. This color is real nice. We got a Viper over here.
The headlights go up. Why is it on? Where's the Tesla on? Battery. You can't even hear it. Yeah.
This is what I'm talking about right here. Oh, that thing is tucked in there real nice. Oh, and it's thick. Look at the color on this. Real nice color. Nice. Hey guys, I'm finally home. It was real nice. All those cars were real nice. Shout out to all the guys out there. If you guys bump into this video, make sure you guys subscribe and all that stuff. And everybody else, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. It's your boy Tops. You already know, man. There's gonna be more car meets in the near future, so stay tuned for that. Stay tuned for also, I'm still working on getting modifications and stuff like that done. But like I said, guys, please subscribe. Please hit the notification bell button, and please like this video, and please leave a comment down below if you guys like that SRT Dodge Durango or whatever the case is. I'll have his link to his Instagram page too as well down in the description, so you guys could go follow him. George, he has a real nice SRT Dodge Durango. It's a 2018, real nice truck. He's real lit on his Instagram page, so make sure you guys go follow him there. So all right guys, thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it, and I hope you guys enjoy the video, and see you on the next one. Peace.
Look, I just flipped the switch.